Hi, good morning, guys. Welcome back to our IUPAC nomenclature. So yesterday we discussed how to name saturated hydrocarbons in previous class. Today class we'll discuss how to name unsaturated hydrocarbons. So while naming the unsaturated hydrocarbons, we have rules. The rule 1 is maximum number of multiple bonds has to be involved in the principal carbon chain, even if it violates longest chain rule. It means we have to choose a chain in which we have more number of double bonds. Okay. And second thing, and rule number 2, if everything is identical, the double bond should be given high priority than triple bond. So whenever you have both double bond and triple bond and both are identical, then the priority should be given to double bond. Okay. So now let me discuss few examples. So while we are giving the priority in this case, the priority should be given to multiple bond than substituent. So this is the priority. So the priority has to given to a double bond or a triple bond. That is called as multiple bond. Now we'll see a few examples. For example, I have a compound like this, and here I have a double bond. So according to our lowest locant rule, where we have double bond, suppose if you give the numbering from here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the double bond is coming at first position. Suppose if you are giving the numbering from left to right, the double bond is at the first position. If you are giving numbering from right to left, the double bond is at the third position. So according to our lowest locants, the double bond should be at the lowest number. So, and how many carbons we have in parent chain? We have 4 carbons in our parent chain. So that's why name of this compound can be written as 1-butene or butene. Both are same. Similarly, for example, if you have the same compound like this, and I have a double bond here. So from both sides, the double bond should get same number, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, the name of this compound is 2-butene or but-2-ene. Both are same. And for example, if you have a compound like this, for example, and I have a double bond here, and here I have a chlorine substitution. So according to this one, the multiple bond should give more priority. So here I have a multiple bond and here I have a chlorine. So based on this, the priority should be given to this carbon. So the numbering should be start from like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the substituent has to come first in the naming. So the name of compound is 6-chloro. So in parent chain we have 6 carbons. So that is hexene or hex-1-ene, both are same. So similarly, if you see the examples like this, so in this one, the multiple bond has to given highest priority 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at third position we have a substituent. So the name of this compound is 3-chloro. In parent chain we have 5 carbons. Penta. At first position we have ine, penta-ine or pentyne, both are same. And suppose if you have CH2, C double bond, CH2. Suppose if this is your compound, so the naming should be given from this side: 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have 2 double bonds. So whenever we have 2 double bonds, the ene will be 2. That is, the ene has to write. So according to this, at first position we have unsaturation site, and second position also we have unsaturation site. So that's why you can write as 1,2-butadiene. Similarly, suppose so in this case, the numbering has to start from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this case, the double bond is at the second position and the fourth position. So you can write 2,4 heptadiene or hepta 2,4 diene, like this you can write. Both are same. Here also same thing. Buta 1,2 diene you can write. Okay. Suppose whenever you have double bond and triple bond in same compound. For example, I have double bond and triple bond in the same compound. For example, I have double bond here and I have triple bond here, triple bond here. Then the numbering should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we said in previous case, the priority has to be given to lowest locant rule, that is lowest substitution, that is what we have lowest substitution. Ene we have, so that's why the name of the compound can be written as oct 1 ene. Ene, whenever we are writing the ene 4 ine. See here, whenever you have write ene 4 ine, this will be wrong. So whenever you have to start with the A, I, O, U, Y, in such cases, the E has to eliminate. Okay. For example, if I have a hydrocarbon like this, so in this case, the priority has to be given to, this is lowest functional, that is lowest number we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is X, okay, 5 in 1 ine. Suppose we have double bond here, triple bond here, and we have double bond here, then the priority has to be given to this double bond. Then the numbering will be like this. So name of the compound can be written as X 1 in 6, hept 1 in 6 ine. So like this, you can name the compounds of unsaturated. Okay. Hope this is useful for you. Hi, good morning, guys. So back to our naming of unsaturated substituents. See, for example, if you have alkene, from this alkene, if you remove a hydrogen, so then it is called as alkynyl. Suppose if you have alkyne, if from this alkyne, if you remove a hydrogen, then that is called as alkynyl. For example, CH2 double bond CH. So in this case, we have 2 carbons. So this is called as ethynyl. So this ethynyl is formed from where? So this ethynyl is formed from removal of a hydrogen from ethene. This is ethynyl. Similarly, propynyl, CH3 CH double bond CH. So this is propynyl. For example, if you have CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2. So this is 2-propynyl. 2-propynyl. So why this is 2-propynyl? So this is free valent carbon. No? From this you have to give the numbering 1, 2. So in the second position we have the unsaturation. That's why 2-propionine. Similarly, for example, if we have CH3C, CH3 double bond CH, CH2, then this is numbering should be given like this 1, 2, 3. Then at the third position we have methyl, 3 methyl, and second position we have unsaturation site, 3 methyl, 2 butynyl, 2 butynyl. So like this we can name an unsaturated substituent. Okay, suppose if any substituent is bonded to principal carbon chain by double bond, then it should be named as alkylidene. If any substituent is bonded to principal carbon chain by double bond, then it should be named as alkylidene. For example, if I have a substituent CH3CH double bond, so this is a parent chain, for example, this is linked with parent chain. So then this is called as ethylidene. Similarly, for example, if I have CH3CH2 CH double bond, and this is your parent chain, then this is called as propylidene. Propylidene, like that. But the exception is whenever we have CH2 double bond C, this cannot be called as methylidene. Methylidene is the wrong one, and this is called as methylene only. Okay. Next. If HC triple bond C. So this is what? This is alkynyl, right? How many carbons we have in this one? 2. So that's why this can be named as ethynyl. For example, you have 3 carbons CH3C triple bond C. This is called as propynyl. Okay. Propynyl or 1-propynyl, both are same. Okay. So now let's see. Let me write nomenclature of few compounds. For example, okay, double bond, double bond. So here we have 3 double bonds. So in these 3 double bonds, how to choose the parent chain? So the parent chain should have maximum number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the parent carbon. So the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why not from this side? Suppose if you give the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. At 4th position you are getting a substituent. So that's why I'm giving the numbering from right to left. the substituent get third position. If you give the numbering from left to right, the substituent will get the fourth position. So that's why this is the right one. So let the name of this compound. What is the substituent here? The substituent is CH2 double bond is the substituent. So what is the name of this compound? So the substituent will comes first. 3-methylene or methylene. So as I said, methylene. 3-methylene. 1,5 hexadiene. Okay. Similarly, let me see one more example. Double one here. Double one here. And like this. Okay. Suppose if this is your principal chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So I am giving numbering like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At third position, what is the substitution we have? So the third position, the substitution is CH2 double bond CH like this. So this is the substitution. What is the name of this one? What we said. So this is what? This is ethinyl. So the substitution is ethinyl. So the ethinyl. So how many carbons in parent chain? 5. Penta. And how many unsaturation site? 2. 1,4 diene. See, whenever you have diene, then you will get penta. Otherwise, penta. For example, if you have 111, then penta 1-ene, penta 3-ene, like this. Whenever you have 2 double bonds or 3 double bonds, then only penta will come. Remember about this one. Okay, let me see one more example. Double bond, double bond. And here, triple bond. Okay. Suppose this is your parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons only coming. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am taking this is the parent carbon chain. So if this is my parent carbon chain, what is the substitution? This is the substitution. Okay. Okay. So this is the substitution. As this is the substitution, this is at the third position, right? So as this is at third position, and this is fourth position. So the substitution has to come right? So first 3 ethinyl. So how many carbons in parent chain? 6 carbons you have. Hepta 1 in 5. Sorry, 4. 4, 9, 6 carbons. 6 carbons, X 1 in 4, 9. Okay. So here I am taking an example of an unsaturated compound. Let's try to give the IUPAC name for this one. So this is your compound. So let's try to name this one. Suppose if you want to select a longest chain, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we are getting 7 carbons, but we have only 1 double bond. So according to rule, what we have to include maximum number of double bonds. So that's why we cannot choose this one as a parent chain. So that's why we have to choose a parent chain like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, this is your parent chain, and what we have the substitution at the substitution at the third position. As we have substitution at third position, so this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So first carbon, let me remove this one. Okay, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So at third position we have a substitution. So that's why I'm taking 3. At third position, 2 methyl. And how many carbons you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 methyl, butyl. And in parent chain we have 5 carbons, 1, 4, penta, diene. So this is the name of this compound. Okay. Hope this is useful in giving names for this compound. Okay. Thank you.